Hey everyone, well today is a special day. We're here at Dainese's Flagship Store in Costa Mesa, California to get measured for one of its new Dainese Custom Works one-piece leather motorcycle suits. Let's go inside and meet Carla and check things out. This episode is supported by OGIO Power Sports and its head case helmet bag. We love the oversized design that can accommodate both full-face street bike helmets and off-road helmets. It's a great way to carry your helmet to ensure that your expensive helmet doesn't get scratched or banged up when you're going to ride. Now back to the episode. What up? What up? Yeah, hey, how's it going?
Nice to meet you.
Hey, nice to meet you. How you doing?
Pretty good.
My name's Adam. Nice to meet you.
At the store we have Carla. I don't know if you ever met Carla.
I've met Carla. Carla, what's up? It's Adam Waheed. Do you remember me?
Yes.
Yeah. Nice to see you. Yeah, how you doing? Good to see you. Yeah. How's your life in America?
Up and down.
You've been here many years now. Yeah, I'm ready. Yeah, I'm ready. Yes, please. All right, everybody, we have our Dainese one-piece undersuit. You wear your Dainese one-piece undersuit before you get measured for the proper measurements. This is Miss Carla. She is from Vicenza, Italy. She was the tailor for Valentino Rossi during his glory days. And now she works here in Costa Mesa at the Dainese store in Costa Mesa, California. So we're getting measured by Valentino Rossi's personal tailor from the golden era of VR46, winning his 9-time champ. 9-time champ. Yep.
Exactly. So, don't show there.
What?
Too much. Okay.
Yeah, I can't show this?
No, me.
Oh, you look beautiful. No, you look great.
I'm shy.
No, you look great. You're doing great. I like the silver hair. I have the silver hair too, but I dye it. If I didn't dye my hair, it would be white as this board. It'd be white as this board.
No, I like to stay white.
Okay.
Okay, protection, back, chest. Do you want chest protection?
No, thank you.
Measurements with chest protection, no. Boots, in or out?
In, please. In.
Allora, boots,
The leather.
Axel too,
in is Axial.
Yeah.
That's the old school style.
Yeah.
Perfect. Yeah.
Gloves, out, long.
Yeah.
Long.
Up long. Yeah. Full metal 7s. Probably.
They have inside gloves now?
No. That's
Only
the
short.
Steel Pro.
Okay. Yeah.
So they're the super old ones, but right now it's the full
Undergarment.
metals.
All right, everyone, we're going to get on the scale and see our kilos. 85.86 kilos. What's that in pounds? Probably too many. 189. 189. We're doing good. I was 210 pounds this summer. I lost 20 pounds.
Hello. What do you do?
I stopped drinking beer. No more beer.
Oh, the worst.
No more beer. No more. Done.
Do it.
No more.
Without.
All right, folks. Now Carla has put this string band around my waist so she knows my anatomical waist measurement, and she uses that to measure up everything so we get the proper fitment. Key with these Dainese Custom Works suits is in the measurements. If you have someone like Carla who really knows what they're doing and is able to take extremely accurate measurements of your anatomy, you are going to get a suit that's going to fit you like a glove. All right, breaking news, folks. We might even be getting the new Dainese Dimone suit. This is their top of the range flagship MotoGP suit, me and Bez style. Only the best. That's actually positioned above the Misano 3 and above the Mugello 3. This is going to be awesome. All right, Miss Carla just took our numbers. There was maybe 20-25 measurements she took. She's extremely fast. This process only took maybe 15 minutes. And it only took 15 minutes because she is so fast. And I just told her that I generally like to have a more tight-fitting suit. You know, just like my wearable suits that I wear out when I go out to the dinner, I like my tracksuit to be very form-fitting and tight, so she's making note of that right now. All right, folks, Joel from Dainese here in Costa Mesa has got these Axial 2 Air. This is a new road race style boot from Dainese out of Vicenza, Italy. Wow, those things are sick. Now the Axial boot was very long in the tooth, so it's nice to see Dainese finally showing some love to this footwear option. This is size US
8, yep. Size
42 euro. Sweet. Let's try them on and see how these things fit. Seal 2 air right here, folks. This is a rear entry boot. So you put your foot in from the front side, and then you slip it in, and then there's these Velcro attachments that go around the rear of the boot, and then you tie it snug with this fitting, and then you zip it up from behind. These things fit pretty nicely. Would it be cool to try one size smaller?
Smaller, yeah.
Yep. These things fit a little bit bigger than I remember, so
I think these are the 42, so I think for us
let's try a
it's
41.
9, so
Yep.
it'd be a 41, yeah.
Yeah, let's try a 41. What's up, Miss Carla?
Same 1 minute.
Miss Carla's just double checking the diameter of my knees. The last Misano 2 suit I got was super awesome, but the knees were just slightly baggy. So she's just verifying the knee measurement. When you have a slightly baggy knee, when you put your knee down against the asphalt, if it's a little bit loose fitting, the asphalt can take your knee puck a little bit, and I don't like that. I like it to be real custom form fitted. So she was just verifying that knee measurement for optimum racetrack performance. So this is the Axial Air 2 boot in size 41, so US 8, I believe. So a little bit smaller. Again, rear entry boot. Let's try it and put it on here. Oh yeah, nice and snug. I like it already. Oh yeah, it's hard to put on. If it's hard to put on, I am going to like that boot. And that I already know is going to be a well-fitting boot. Yep, that's the one.
Yep, 41?
Yep, nice and hard to put on. That means it fits great. All right, folks, here's our measurements. 24 measurements of our human anatomy to get the Custom Works fitment right on these Dainese one-piece suits. All right, folks, this is a new generation Dainese full one-piece leather track glove. They call it the Full Metal 7, so the 7th iteration of the Full Metal jacket. These gloves are the top of the line all leather road racing gloves, designed for competition but also designed for someone who just wants the ultimate in protection when they're riding their street bike. Oh geez, look at these things. They are very light. These things are crazy light. This is size medium. Usually we're size medium or size small, it just kind of depends. These things definitely fit nice, but can we try a size small? Yeah, these things fit good for sure, but I like a super form fitted gloves. Honestly, these things will fit totally fine. They'll break in nicely, but let's just try a size small just to see. This Full Metal 7 glove has a cuff that goes up and above, so if you do fall down, it gives you some wrist protection here. All right, we have Full Metal 7 in size small. Oh wow, yeah, these things fit really nice. Size small.
Size small.
Yeah. These things are a little bit tight on my hand, but they will break in a little bit and become a little bit more loose. So again, I really like a small, slim fitting glove. So this size small, a little bit small, but it will break in and get a little bit looser and fit us really well. And just like that, folks, here's our Dainese one-piece MotoGP Dimone leather suit. It's worth mentioning that if you want your own Dainese custom work suit, stop on by Dainese Store. They have stores all across the United States, Miami, Chicago, Los Angeles, San Diego, Orange County, like we got fitted for this one. So stop on by and you too can get your own personalized, customized Dainese custom work suit. Lastly, sound off in the comment section. What do you think of the suit? Do we do okay with the color selection? Does it look good? Sound off in the comment section. We want to hear from you. And of course, make sure you surf on over to moto-1 like we are number1.com for a full review of this product very soon here. We're not like any of the BS legacy media sites. We tell you how it is, we tell you the truth, and we know what's going on in real time. So surf on over to moto-1.com, and we'll see you in the next episode.